But there will be like an intro-y thing, right? I'm Kelsey Small from the Ooni Test Kitchen, and today we're making a pickled pineapple and chorizo pizza in celebration of International Hawaiian Pizza Day. We're gonna start with pickling our pineapple. So we're gonna take this pineapple and we're gonna clean it by taking the top off first, the bottom. And I'm just peeling off the spiky bits. So we're gonna cut it into about 1/2 inch thick chunks. Take a little jalapeno, cut it in half, and we'll just destem it. We don't want it to get too hot, like so. Put our pineapple pieces in here. So we have a simple brine of white wine vinegar, black peppercorns, salt, and water. And we just heat it up a little bit just to dissolve the salt. We don't need it boiling, and we're just gonna pour it over the pineapple. So we'll just let that sit for about an hour. It'll taste good. Overnight is best. So we'll take our pizza dough, we'll put a little bench flour down, and we're gonna start by pressing straight down on the dough to form a crust. And we'll do it on the other side as well. And to stretch, we're basically going to just work inside the crust with our knuckles and just let the weight of the dough stretch it. And we're gonna start with some tomato sauce, about 3 ounces. And we're gonna spread it to the crust, not on it. Spill a little sauce, life goes on, you know, just put a little flour right in front of it so it doesn't stick. We're gonna top it with some fresh mozzarella. And we're gonna sprinkle some red onions, sliced very thin, and some of our Spanish chorizo. As you can see, it's pretty oily. It's got a high fat content. We're gonna take our pickled pineapples. If it's a little difficult to deal with, we'll just drain some of the brine. Let's go cook some pizza. Our oven's been preheating for about 30 minutes. It's around 900 degrees. So we're gonna launch this pizza and cook it. What we're watching for is the back corner. We're watching for the crust to rise and the color is happening, and we don't want to touch it before the bottom is cooked. All right, it's been about 90 seconds and this pizza's ready to come out. I mean, the crust is evenly cooked. It's got a nice little char to it. Cheese is melted. Looks ready to eat. This pie should be a little sweet, a little salty, the sour and a little spice from the pickling brine. Should be great, a nice combination. All right, let's enjoy. It's a pretty dang good pizza. If you wanna make this and see other recipes, head over to Ooni.com and make some pizza.